Now, I want to ask, please, what do you call in-laws in your language? When okay, I know when you want to say I know you are welcome, what do you say? Ekabo anowa. And the person will respond what? Eku. We are coming to that. Now we will say, Igbo people want to greet you people now. Now what we call in-laws is ndo guy. Say ndo guy. Yoruba people say ndo guy. And he will greet you people and he will say ndo guy no. And you will say, I say, oh, you say, oh, you say ndo guy no. You say what? Now they are about to greet you people and welcome you people.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Ndiogo, no.
Say it again.
Ndiogo, no.
Please, can we put our hands together for the both families? I think we are connected. At least now you know what we call in-laws. We call it indoor guy. Now you know it. Now I will be handing over. Daddy, please come and represent us. You will tell us how we will greet, and you will tell them what they will respond. We say ano, ekuleo, and they respond what? Oh, okay, now the same oh na go respond. Una no pay any fuka happy who come mine and ever. You go fuka cast well me. I have work una second oh confirm. Daddy, let's go. Greet them and they will respond.
Ẹ̀yin àná wa kí ẹ káàbọ̀ o. Ẹ̀yin àná wa à ń kí ẹ káàbọ̀ o.